Welcome to Montessori Workshop's tutorial on supporting early math concepts for your child. In this video, we will explore 6 fun and engaging activities to help your child develop essential math skills. Let's get started. Our first activity is counting blocks. Next, we have number matching, and the third activity is shape sorting. Our fourth activity is tower building, and the fifth activity is pattern creation. Our final activity is color sorting. Lay out a few blocks and count them out loud with your child. Show them how to touch each block as you count it to reinforce the concept that each number corresponds to a specific quantity. This simple activity builds a strong foundation for future math learning. Use the number cards and the Lovevery Block Kit to help your child recognize numbers. Place the cards in front of them and ask them to match the correct number of blocks to each card. This activity enhances number recognition and counting skills. Encourage your child to sort the different shapes included in the Lovevery Block Kit into groups and name them. Sorting shapes helps in recognizing and differentiating between shapes, which is a fundamental math skill. Building towers with blocks is not only fun, but also helps your child develop spatial awareness. As they stack blocks, they learn about balance, height, and stability. This activity is great for enhancing fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. Our final activity is color sorting. Ask your child to sort the blocks by color and count how many blocks are in each group. This activity helps in understanding categorization and enhances counting skills. Make it more fun by mixing up the blocks and asking your child to sort them as quickly as they can. We hope you enjoyed these activities for supporting early math concepts using the Lovevery Block Kit. Remember, the key is to keep the activities light and playful, allowing your child to explore and learn at their own pace. Enjoy the journey of discovering numbers, shapes, and patterns together. Thank you for watching.